Welcome, fam. Coach Nate here. I bet you feel tight, stiff, and maybe even a little sore. But I've got a promise for you. In the next 90 seconds, I'm going to unlock your hips, align your spine, and fire up your body so you feel strong, mobile, and energized all day. Most people stretch the wrong way, keeping them stiff and tight. But today, we're fixing that. One of these moves will instantly unlock your lower back, but only if you do it correctly, and I'm going to show you how. The last move in this session is something you've probably never tried before, but you wish you had. If you feel like your hips are holding you back, that's because they are. But don't worry, I've got the perfect fix. Most people don't even realize their lower back stiffness actually comes from weak, inactive hips. The next move will change that instantly. There's one small mistake most people make that kills their flexibility. I'll help you avoid it. If you've ever felt like your hips were locked up, weak, or limiting your flexibility, this is where we fix that. Start in a kneeling position, feet relaxed behind you. Lower your hips to your heels, then drive them forward, squeezing your glutes at the top. Keep your core engaged and move smoothly with your breath. I promise this move will activate your hips, fire up your glutes, and create better mobility for everything you do today. Beginners, use your hands for balance. Advanced stretchers, hold a light weight at your chest for more resistance. Most people rush this. Slow it down and feel every inch of the movement and smooth out your movement. Your hips are activated. Now let's increase mobility and smooth out your movement. Your lower back and hips don't just move forward and back, they rotate too. If you skip this, you're leaving flexibility on the table. Start kneeling with your hands on your hips. Move your hips in slow, controlled circles, like you're tracing a hula hoop. Switch directions, focusing on smooth movement and deep breathing. I promise this move will increase mobility, relieve stiffness, and make every other stretch work better. Beginners, keep movement slow and small. Advanced stretches increase the range of motion and flow smoothly. Pause. Can you slow it down even more and feel every inch of the movement? Now that your hips are moving, let's add some deep stretching with a lunge flow. Most people's hips are locked up from sitting all day, and they don't even realize how much it's holding them back. This stretch, it's about to fix that. Step your right foot forward into a deep lunge, left knee down, gently rock forward and back, feeling the deep stretch in your hip flexors. Press through your front foot and drive your hips forward. I promise this move will release deep hip tension, improve flexibility, and make your lower body feel powerful. Beginners, keep your hands on your front knee for balance. Advanced stretches, raise your arms overhead for an added stretch. Pause here. Can you push just a little deeper? Feel that release. We can't leave the other side tight. Let's switch legs. A flexible body isn't just about stretching, it's about balance. Let's even things out. Step your left foot forward into a deep lunge, right knee down. Gently rock forward and back, allowing your hips to open naturally. Keep your chest lifted and focus on deep breathing. I promise this move will increase flexibility, unlock your lower body, and improve your movement all day. Beginners, keep your hands on your knee for support. Advanced stretchers, lift the back knee for a deeper lunge. Take a deep breath. Can you hold this just a little longer? That's where the magic happens. Your hips are open. Now let's stretch out the entire backside of your body. After unlocking your hips, it's time to lengthen everything out. Your hamstrings, your spine, and even your mind. Stand tall, feet hip width apart, hinge at the hips and fold forward. Letting your arms and head hang heavy. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Breathe deeply and let gravity do the work. I promise this move will relieve back tension, improve flexibility, and leave you feeling refreshed. Beginners, keep a slight bend in your knees. Advanced stretches, grab behind your legs and gently pull deeper. Final stretch. Can you hold this for just 5 more seconds? Breathe deep and feel the release. Deep breath in. Now exhale and let go of all that tension. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.